If you want to lock apps with Fingerprint on the Motorola Edge 70, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Next, we're gonna need to find and choose Apps. Then over here, scroll down in order to find the app lock option. And first, we need to set up the password for the app lock. So in this case, I'm just gonna use a pattern. Enter your password twice. There we go. And confirm. And after that, once you have the app lock set up, we can lock apps. So let's say I'm gonna choose a couple of apps like Booking, Facebook, and the Fitbit, why not? And besides that, we're gonna tap on the setting icon on the right side, and you should be able to find secondary unlock method section, where we can use the fingerprint in order to unlock the access to the locked apps. And of course, you need to have the fingerprint sensor set up before you can actually use it. If you don't have your fingerprint scanned yet, then of course you need to do so. Alright, so now if we try to open any of these apps, as you can see, I can just use my fingerprint. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.